Hi guys, I need to change my stop lights for my the 2018 Toyota Auris. The right side, the passenger side light, the stop light is not working anymore. Apparently this light right here, when I brake, it doesn't turn on. Let's check it out. In order to change the light bulb, I open the trunk and I stay here on the bottom, and I'll be removing these two bolts from here with a socket of 10 millimeter, and then I'll be pulling out the light assembly to get access to the light bulb that I need. I removed both of these two bolts from the assembly, and now by grabbing the light assembly with one hand from here and one from here, I'll be pulling it towards the back of the car until all the clips are released. The assembly is out, so as I'm looking inside, this is the stoplight right here next to the black thing right here. So I'll be twisting this counterclockwise and pull out to take a look at the light. Okay, so the light is broken. Twist this light bulb counterclockwise, so towards this way, towards my thumb. Okay, this is how the light bulb looks like. It's got one contact on the bottom and two little pins. Okay, so these are the light bulbs that I purchased. P21W, 21 watts. I got two light bulbs, and here it says 21. It says P21W. That's how it looks like inside. This is how the socket looks like. So those two little dots on the bottom of the light bulb have to go through this grooves right here. As I'm holding the socket, I come with the light bulb and fit it through those little openings this way. Push it in and twist it clockwise, and it's in. And now I go back and put it into the hole that it came from. Again, twisting clockwise this time. So going that way, going this way. And there we go. Now what's left is to put the light assembly back in here. Just notice these are the places that have to go. This has to go in here. These two holes have to go in the two holes that I removed the bolts from. So kind of like this, and like this. So please use both hands as you set it approximately this way. We're supposed to push in there. I'll be using both of my hands. It went in pretty easily, so now what is left to do is just basically just put back the two little bolts back where I took them from, using a 10mm socket. Since this is made of plastic, do it by hand first. But then at the end you have to come in with a 10mm socket in order to turn it better. Do not over tighten it. It's done. So what's left to do now is to test that it works. So the light is in there, the one that I just installed. It's this light right here. Okay, let's see if this is gonna work now. It works just fine. Alright guys, thank you so much for checking this out, and I hope this is gonna help you. Thank you, and have a good day.